Debt doesn't define who you are. It is merely a challenge that can be tackled with a proactive approach. By following these steps, you take control over your finances, fostering empowerment and determination. Remember, each small victory builds momentum and reinforces the idea that you're capable of achieving your goals. Embrace this journey with an open heart and don't hesitate to celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. After all, it's your journey and every step counts. Becoming debt-free may feel overwhelming, but it's a journey you don't have to face alone. Surround yourself with community support, whether through financial forums, friends, or family who understand your plight. Engaging with others allows you to share tips, celebrate victories, and keep your spirits high during tough times. Remember, there's strength in numbers, and every shared story can inspire resilience and hope. Stay committed to your plan and continue moving forward, even when it seems challenging. Real change is within your reach. That may seem like a mountain, but every summit is reached one step at a time. As you embark on this transformative journey, engage with helpful resources, such as books, podcasts, and financial coaches to expand your knowledge. Equip yourself with the tools necessary to navigate obstacles, and don't hesitate to reach out for advice. By committing to this process and remaining focused, you will gradually dismantle the chains of debt that bind you, allowing you to pave the way toward a brighter financial future, filled with opportunities and peace of mind. Your story is not over, it's just begun. You made the decision to take control, and that first step is powerful. Every time you take a moment to review your debts, craft your budget, or negotiate terms, you are building a future free from financial burdens. Just remember, it's essential to stay flexible. Life will throw curveballs, and unexpected expenses may arise. When they do, don't lose sight of your goal. Adjust your plan accordingly and keep moving forward. This is not just about paying off debt. It's about reshaping your financial identity and reclaiming your power over money. With consistent effort, determination, and the right strategies, you will emerge victorious from this challenge. Keep pushing, and soon you'll look back in gratitude for the progress you made. Debt is a formidable opponent, but with the right mindset and strategies, it can be overcome. Acknowledging your debts is the first crucial step, but then comes the empowerment of creating a plan that works for you. As you analyze your financial situation and make deliberate choices, remember that every single action propels you toward your goal. Surround yourself with positive influences who motivate you to stay the course, and regularly reassess your progress to maintain your focus. The path may twist and turn, yet each small decision you make shapes your journey toward freedom from financial obligations. Just like any meaningful change, the journey toward becoming debt-free requires commitment and consistency. As you implement these steps, remember that it's okay to stumble. What truly matters is how you get back on track and recommit to your goals. Take pride in each step, knowing that your efforts are building a brighter financial future. With patience and perseverance, you will not only unclog the obstacles that has placed in your path, but also discover the safety and peace that comes with financial independence. As each debt fades into history, you'll gain confidence, finally embracing the freedom to enjoy life without the weight of financial stress. Thank you for joining us today on Money Loop. And remember, you're not alone on this journey to financial freedom. That can feel like a heavy burden, but it is crucial to understand that every step you take towards paying it off is a stride towards your ultimate financial liberation. By embracing a positive perspective, you cultivate a mindset that empowers you to forge ahead confidently. As you work through your debts, find strength in your determination and resilience, allowing it to ignite your enthusiasm for creating a debt-free life. Keep in mind that consistency is key. Small, regular actions will accumulate into significant progress over time. So, commit to your financial plan and watch how your efforts transform your financial landscape, leading you to a brighter, debt-free future. Your journey towards debt freedom is not just about numbers. It's also about understanding your relationship with money. As you dive deeper into your financial matters, take a moment to reflect on past spending habits and what drives your financial decisions. Recognizing patterns can empower you to make informed choices moving forward. Understanding your financial triggers is essential in reshaping the way you interact with money. Each decision you make from this point forward is an investment in a more secure future, one that aligns with your goals and dreams. Embrace this growth mindset, knowing that with every lesson learned, you're equipping yourself to navigate future challenges more effectively. While the journey may seem daunting, remember that every effort counts and brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate your wins, however small, and use them as fuel to propel you forward. As you continue to refine your strategies and remain vigilant in your efforts, you will discover that the path to financial freedom opens up before you. The challenges may be tough, but with a dedicated approach, you're not just chasing a debt-free life. You're actively building a future filled with possibilities and new opportunities to thrive. Thank you for trusting Money Loop to guide you through these crucial steps to reclaim your financial life. Becoming debt-free is a gradual process, and each of these steps underscores a fundamental truth. Your financial future is within your grasp. As you turn your plans into action, remember the importance of patience and a positive mindset. Lean on the strategies shared here. Adjust them as necessary and stay committed to your path. Your journey will not only free you from financial burdens, it will also empower you to achieve your broader life goals. With continued determination, you will emerge on the other side, ready to embrace a brighter, debt-free life. Thank you for being part of the Money Loop community. Let's keep moving forward together. Debt does not have to dictate your life. It's simply a challenge waiting for your skillful management. Each step you take toward understanding and tackling debt fosters growth and resilience, enabling you to sculpt a financially secure future. This transformative journey is built on persistence, discipline, and a strong support system. You have everything it takes to overcome this hurdle. And as you strategically navigate your path, envision the freedom that awaits you. Every action you undertake today builds a stronger foundation for your tomorrow. Without financial chains weighing you down, keep moving forward with courage and determination, knowing that your story is just beginning. That can often feel insurmountable, but remember, every journey starts with one small step. As you take control of your financial situation, allow yourself to dream about the possibilities that a debt-free life can bring. This newfound freedom will not only impact your finances, but every aspect of your life, empowering you to make choices that align with your values and aspiration. It is about creating a future where you can fully enjoy your hard work and live without the weight of financial stress. Always keep your goal in sight and continue to seek knowledge, support, and inspiration along the way. You are on the path to a brighter tomorrow. Stay committed and enjoy the process. Thank you for being part of this journey with Money Loop. And remember, every action counts towards achieving your dreams. As you embark on this journey, remember that you're not merely paying off debts. You're transforming your financial identity. Each positive action reshapes your relationship with money, allowing you to define success on your own terms. So, stay focused, embrace your progress, and look forward to a prosperous and liberated future. Every step you take today is a building block for the life you desire, filled with possibilities and freedom. Thank you for tuning into Money Loop. Your journey to financial empowerment begins now. You've equipped yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to tackle your debt head-on. And now it's time to put those strategies into action. The path to a debt-free life may be challenging, but with determination and focus, you will successfully chart a course toward financial independence. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.